The beginning of the week signals a very special occasion when you see us here in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen. That's because we like to say,
Mamma Mia Monday! Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's Roma joins us this afternoon with a new authentic dish. Welcome, and I cannot wait to see what you have for us.
Yeah.
How are we doing today? Everybody good?
doing great.
We're gonna do better now, all right? So today we're gonna do a little red clam sauce. I think I've done white clam on here before, but we're gonna do a little marinara clam.
Okay.
So it's pretty easy, a couple of just 4 or 5 ingredients. We're gonna start with a little olive oil. You can use saute oil if you like. Get this kind of a little bit hot here.
Have you ever tried to count how many recipes you have up in that head?
I don't. I have not. I have not. So the menu that you see when you come to the restaurant is just the tip of the iceberg. So we do a lot of specials, and then the thing where people say, "Can I have what I had last time?" Or they'll say, "Cook me something." And I'm making something, and what do you call this? I'm like, "What's your name?" It's David. I said, "Chicken a la David."
Oh, there you go.
Love the creativity.
Yeah,
without a doubt. That's what it's
keeps
all
you
about.
on your toes. When you got to be creative, it keeps you on your toes.
Yeah,
right?
sure.
So we got a little bit of garlic, as Lisa likes to say. A little bit.
Little bit.
That's about 3 cloves of garlic. I chop it kind of roughly here, not so tight.
Okay.
So I like to use baby clams instead of chopped clams. I feel like they got a little more taste, a little more potency. We're going to put a little bit of the clams in here. Now I drained out half the juice. You can buy these in the supermarket. They have all kinds of different clams in cans as well. By the fish aisle there, tuna fish and stuff. I have some pre-cooked little neck clams.
What kind of clam?
Little necks.
Little necks, okay.
Little necks.
You put them right in there.
Yeah. You want to get this cooking pretty good. You want to get a nice crispy garlic. I like to call a little dark garlic. That's where all your flavor comes out. I'm going to add a little bit of spice.
So could you do it without pre-cooking the little neck
You can. I
clams?
just did it for
timing reasons?
Exactly.
Okay.
I just pre-cooked them.
And what is that?
This is a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, as Steve said, my secret spice, right? We're going to let this simmer for a minute. And then once you get a little bit of simmer there, you get the garlic, gives you a little bit of crispiness or darkness. We're going to add a little bit of our marinara sauce. So marinara sauce is already flavored and spiced, so I don't have to put too much into this or over-spice it.
So with it, since you were here last Monday, we have both been to Joe's Roma. Talk about what you had.
Oh my gosh, we had a fantastic meal on Friday, celebrating my dad's 90th birthday. And I will tell you, I mean, I could go on and on about the meal, but at the end, Joe brought out a beautiful Italian dessert platter that had everything. Oh my gosh, was that to die for?
I didn't know what to do, so I gave you a little bit of everything. A little dessert board. Yeah.
It was fantastic.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, and we went there for my husband's birthday. I'm not going to say which one it was. Last Wednesday. And he had the tomahawk pork chop. Oh my goodness. He really wanted to just pick up the thing and just eat it.
That's what he told me.
Yeah.
Huge.
And I had the ravioli.
With the sweet peas?
With the sweet peas.
Nice.
Oh my goodness, that was so good. And he also brought out desserts. And I came to work the next day and I told everyone, I've never eaten so much in my life. I really don't think I've eaten so much, but it was so good.
Thank you for coming in. I really appreciate that.
Fantastic. And the atmosphere is great in there. I love it.
Making people happy is what makes me happy, so I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thank you.
I think it makes a huge difference that it's small and it's very personal.
It's different than anything you'll really experience in Salisbury. And like I said, I am there every night. Knock on wood. And every dish comes past me, so I probably stay in about this area for about 4 or 5 hours. And you know, it's just nobody wants really to be at a restaurant and your food comes out and the chef's out in the dining room. So I try to just come out and go back in. But I enjoy it. I really do. I mean, I wouldn't want to do anything. And my staff, I couldn't ask
Your staff's incredible. Yes.
I'm blessed.
Took care of every need. That
yes,
was
they
great.
did. All right, well, this is going to cook a little bit, and we're going to take a little break, and when we come back, we're going to put it all together and then get to our favorite part, tasting. Stick around. DelmarvaLife will be right back.
Well, we've been enjoying the aroma of all the incredible Italian ingredients here in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen, garlic being one of them. And that aroma is all thanks to Joe's Roma. And Joe, you never disappoint when it comes to the smell and the presentation here.
It smells good in here.
It
That's
really
very
does.
fragrant.
Feels so good.
So, of course, for Mamma Mia Monday, you're whipping up plenty of pasta today. You've got here.
We got a little linguine with red clam. Right now we're just sauteing the clams together. You saw where we put the juice in before we went to commercial, and then it all absorbed it.
It did.
I'm going to add you want to be careful. they will pop. Add our sauce here.
Look at that.
So all the clams have absorbed all the juice. We're going to bring it back out. A little bit of marinara sauce. There we go.
There we go.
There we go. And it's almost that time.
Is that a meatball?
So you've made
tomato.
this.
Tomato.
You've made this with a white sauce before, but this is with a.
Just a little bit of marinara. So this is a little more of a northern Italian dish.
Okay.
All right, so I got some linguine, and like I told you guys, I like to put a little sauce on my pasta just to give it a little color, and also it takes all the water out of the pasta. You know,
Oh, that's a good idea.
Nobody wants that little water at the bottom of it.
Right.
There we go. So, linguine red clam. Voila.
Look at that.
I mean, presentation is everything, right?
Absolutely.
Put your eyes is first. Put your eyes first. There we go. And that is on our
boy.
menu. Let me get this off the sizzle.
There you go. So you said this is on the menu.
This is on the menu. We have the white and the red clam sauce on the menu. Comes just as you see. We also do a seafood pasta, which would have calamari, mussels, the clams, and shrimp as well.
Ooh,
in Alfredo.
that's amazing.
Fresh seafood.
This is one of the most complicated things I've ever had to do on TV is eat pasta
Yeah.
noodles
And you do
with
it
red
pretty
sauce.
often. You pretty do it often with me. So, like I said, we have that on the menu all the time.
Oh, that's so
we're
good.
A small restaurant with 56 seats, so if you want to come in for dinner one night, be sure to make a reservation as you guys did as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Reservation is very important because you don't want to get turned away at the door and be like, "What do you mean you don't have a seat?" You kidding?
Yeah, and I was
So-
there with the dining with Denny.
Oh yeah, she was painting.
He was painting. Yeah.
Yeah, people come and enjoy that, and that'll be a Wednesday again. We'll have Denny there doing some dining with Denny painting, and eventually after the holidays we'll be doing a paint night where Denny's going to be the instructor, like the old school where you paint your own. And we're also going to do a cooking show, a cooking segment at the restaurant where I'm going to give people the ingredients to take home, but I'm going to cook it in front of them.
Oh, really?
So that'll be after the holidays. Yeah.
Oh, I might want to sign up for
Fancy,
that one.
fancy, yeah.
Definitely.
And then my business partner Chris is heading up our deli next door. We're getting close. Hopefully before the holidays here, which is Christmas holiday, we'll be able to open our doors for that.
Your focacceria.
Focacceria, La Roma Italian Market and Focacceria.
Be a
that's
great
correct.
place for folks to get the authentic ingredients
Yeah,
that they
and
need.
everything you see that I do, I probably will be selling. I'll be doing my dressing, my pesto dressing. I'll be selling that. Some sauces, and some raw meats too, sausage and veal and seafood.
Well, I've yet to have anything that you have made that I have not liked. This is unbelievable. And I mean, it's just over the moon. Good. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
I can't stop eating.